Welcome to Fact Fusion Network, where we bring the wonders of science and technology straight to you. Today, we're diving into one of the most complex and fascinating systems of the human body, the nervous system. Ever wondered how your brain tells your body to move, or how you feel the warmth of a sunny day? It's all thanks to neurons and the signals they send. Stick around as we explore how the nervous system works. Introduction to the nervous system. The nervous system is like the body's electrical wiring. It's responsible for transmitting information between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of your body. It can be divided into two main parts: the central nervous system (CNS) and the peripheral nervous system (PNS). The CNS includes the brain and spinal cord, acting as the control center, while the PNS connects the CNS to muscles, organs, and skin. The role of neurons. At the heart of the nervous system are neurons, the specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals. Each neuron is made up of three key parts. Number 1. Dendrites. These branch-like structures receive signals from other neurons. Number 2. The cell body. This is where the nucleus and other cell machinery are located, keeping the neuron alive. Number 3. Axon. This long, thread-like part transmits the signal to the next cell. Neurons are designed to communicate. They transmit signals across vast distances in the body, helping us respond to stimuli, make decisions, and control muscles. How neurons send signals. But how exactly do neurons send signals? It all starts with an electrical impulse called an action potential. When a neuron is stimulated, say, you touch something hot, it triggers a rapid electrical change inside the neuron. This action potential travels down the axon like a wave. Once the action potential reaches the end of the axon, it needs to jump to the next neuron. But neurons don't touch each other directly. Instead, there's a small gap called a synapse between them. When the electrical signal reaches the synapse, it triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters float across the synapse and bind to receptors on the next neuron, passing on the signal. It's a perfectly timed dance that happens in milliseconds. Types of neurons and signals. Did you know that not all neurons are the same? There are three main types of neurons that help us process different kinds of information. Number 1. Sensory neurons. These are responsible for picking up signals from the environment, like touch, sound, and light, and sending them to the brain. Number 2. Motor neurons. These neurons send signals from the brain and spinal cord to muscles, causing them to contract and produce movement. Number 3. Interneurons. Found only in the brain and spinal cord, these neurons connect sensory and motor neurons and help process information. Let's take an example. If you accidentally touch a hot stove, sensory neurons detect the heat and send a signal to your brain. Interneurons in the spinal cord quickly process the information, and motor neurons send a message to your hand muscles to pull away from the stove, fast. Communication speeds in the nervous system. One of the most amazing things about the nervous system is how fast these signals travel. Nerve impulses can zip through your body at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. That's the equivalent of 268 miles per hour, faster than a sports car. The nervous system and the body's response. The nervous system isn't just about movement and sensation. It also helps control our autonomic responses, like heart rate, digestion, and breathing, without us even thinking about it. The autonomic nervous system has two branches, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. The sympathetic system controls your fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic system helps your body rest and digest. For example, when you're stressed, your sympathetic nervous system increases your heart rate and sends extra blood to your muscles. Once the stress is gone, the parasympathetic system calms everything down, helping you relax. How it all comes together. The nervous system is constantly at work, whether you're thinking, moving, or just relaxing. Neurons fire off millions of signals every second, working together to keep you connected to the world around you. It's a remarkable system that enables everything from simple reflexes to complex thoughts. So, the next time you feel a breeze, catch a ball, or even just blink, remember, it's all thanks to your amazing nervous system. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting content from Fact Fusion Network. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science.